Now we are talking about the Friedreich ataxia. The Friedreich ataxia is the neurodegenerative disease. It is neurodegenerative disease. It is autosomal recessive disorder. The symptom of Friedreich ataxia, there is progressive ataxia, spasticity, weakness. There is progressive ataxia, spasticity, weakness, sensory neuropathy, and cardiomegaly. There is also in cardiomegaly in the Friedreich ataxia. They occur in the first decade of life. The symptoms are gait ataxia. Occur in the first decade of life. The symptom is the first decade of life is gait ataxia. Dysarthria later occur. Dysarthria, hand clumsiness, the deep tendon reflex may be decreased or absent. There may be the laws of pain, light touch and temperature. Laws of pain, light touch and temperature. The pubis cavus and kyphosclerosis occur. The pubis clavus and kyphosclerosis occur. The patient may be wheelchair bound in 4 to 5 years of onset. Wheelchair bound. The patient may be wheelchair bound in the 5 year of onset. There the patient bound within the 5 years of the onset. The concomitant diabetes mellitus occur. The concomitant diabetes mellitus occur in 25% of the cases. 25% of the cases. This is the genetic disease, autosomal recessive disease. There is the expansion of the CAA trinucleotide repeat sequence seen in the patient on the chromosome number 9. In the chromosome number 9 Q13, there is CAG trinucleotide repeat expansion. This expansion in the trinucleotide of CAA gene responsible for the protein formation, normally called frataxin. Frataxin is a protein. Normally they are synthesized. Frataxin or mitochondrial inner membrane protein. They are mitochondrial inner membrane protein. They involve in the function of iron sulfur cluster enzyme of complex 1 and 2. They are the iron sulfur cluster enzyme complex of 1 and 2. When the low level of the frataxin frataxin reduce and mitochondrial oxidative phosphorylation increase. When these proteins are reduced, there is the oxidative phosphorylation of mitochondria increase. The oxidative phosphorylation of mitochondria increase, and there is free iron. Because of this free iron, there is cardiomegaly and congestive heart failure occur in the later of disease. In the later stage of disease, the congestive heart failure occur because of the free iron. Now we discuss the morphology of the Friedreich ataxia. In the morphology, there is loss of axon and gliosis also occur, and posterior column destruction also occur. Posterior column destruction in the spinal cord, and there is also the corticospinal tract destruction. The corticospinal tract destruction and spinocerebellar tract destruction. and degeneration of the spinal cord. The degeneration of spinal cord. And due to the degeneration of the spinal cord, they are also called the Clarke column. Clarke column. Due to the degeneration of the spinal cord. Cranial nerve 8, 10, 12 and cerebellum and dentate nucleus are also involved. There is the degeneration of Purkinje fiber. Purkinje fiber also degenerate. The dentate nucleus also degenerate. Dentate nucleus also degenerate. Bit cell of motor cortex degenerate. Bit cell of motor cortex degenerate. Heart enlargement also occur, and there is pericardial adhesion. Pericardial adhesion, and there is also destruction of myocardial fiber. Destruction of the myocardial fiber. There is also inflammation in the myocardium, and fibrosis also occur in the myocardium. Morphology is the laws of axon, gliosis, posterior column destruction, corticospinal tract destruction, spinocerebellar tract destruction, degeneration of the spinal cord that are called Clarke column. Cranial nerve 8, 10 and 12 also involved. Dentate nucleus destruction occur. Purkinje fiber and dentate nucleus destruction. Bit cells of the motor cortex are degenerate. Heart enlargement. In the heart enlargement, there are pericardial adhesions, myocardial fibrosis and inflammation. Myocardial fiber are also involved in this disease. This is the autosomal recessive disease.